Alright, here we go. Hey, it's Saturday night. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video, and the packages have been piling up. It's me, Papa Pops, and Rigby. And oh man, we got some great stuff tonight. Very cool, very cool stuff. So I don't even know where to start. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't even remember what's what here. So let's start with this one just to get it out of the way. This was from Wisconsin. I don't remember what it was. All right, let's look. Ready? Ready? I'm pretty sure it's eBay. Oh yeah. Now, okay. Good thing we started with this one. It's because I already have one, but I wanted another one. Just because they're so great. Okay. So here we got the Ultimate Soldier. And I love the 1/6 scale motorcycles. Okay, check that out, right? Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. And like I said, we already have one, but I want another one. And what I'm thinking I'm going to do with these, this is the Indian Chief World War II Indian Chief motorcycle with rider. But I think since I've got two G.I. Joe MPs. So I thought they'd look great, both of them mounted on an Indian Chief motorcycle. So I think that's what I'm going to do with them. Yeah, these are so nice, so detailed. So I'm glad to have another one. And they're not, you know, cheap, but they're worth it. So yeah. So we'll get him out, and maybe I'll get the MPs on him, and we'll see how that works out, alright? Alright, we got our MPs on the Indian Chiefs. I've got two of them. I'm just very happy with both of them. And that looks fantastic. I like it. Yeah. I'll give a little walk around here. Two MPs on their Indian Chiefs. Looks great. These are some nice toys. Nice toys. So yeah. That worked out good. I like it. Okay, now, what's next? Okay, I think I know what this is, and came from eBay, and I've already got a collection of these, and I needed this one, and they're just so expensive, ridiculous. And I found one. I'm sure I paid too much, but I needed it. I wanted it. I got it. So here we have. Oh, been looking forward to this. I've been wanting this for months and months and months. Oh boy, that's cool. It's Kang and Kodos. It's from the Simpsons, Treehouse of Horror, and I didn't have it. And it glows in the dark. It's a limited edition from 2019. And I don't know, apparently the box, it's okay. It's not pristine or anything. That's okay. we display these out of the box. So let's get it out of there and have a look. Oh man, look at them. Look at that, Rick. Look. Kang and Kodos. Oh, their heads turn. Very cool. I wonder which is which. He's got a gun. Oh, very neat. Very neat. I needed these. I wanted them. And I paid $60-some for them, which ain't terrible. Because I've seen them for a lot more. And this is actually the cheapest I had seen them. So I jumped on it. So yeah, very nice. I like them. Maybe we'll put it on the spinner. I don't know. You can see them pretty well right there. So yeah. So now I only got one left I need for my Treehouse of Horrors, and that's Willie the groundskeeper. And he's another one that's expensive for some reason. I don't know. So yeah. Kang and Kodos. I like it. Alright, next we have this from eBay, and it's the first one of these I bought, and I wanted it because I've got some more of this guy, and I wanted this one, and it's already been opened. Sit still, Rick. Here we have, oh yeah, look here, our first Funko Pop Soda, Jimi Hendrix. Now, like I said, this is the first one of these I got. Check that out. Look, look, we got Jimmy. Yeah. So let's see. And it comes with a Pog. That's a Jimi Hendrix, 1 out of 12,500. And there is a chase, but I didn't want the chase. The chase is all bronze, which, I don't know, I didn't need that. Well, at least it's still sealed in the bag. That's cool. And this is fun. This is the first pop soda I got. They're kind of expensive to buy new. And I got this for $11, so that's fine. Come on. Oh, we can get him out of here. Look here. Look, Rick. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Nice, solid figure. That's neat. And I've got other Jimi Hendrix figures, so that's why I got it. He's gonna look good sitting with them. Check that out. That's Jimmy. He's rocking on his left-handed Stratocaster. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, I like it. I like it. We'll display him on top of his can. And I'll get him on the spinner. Alright, we still got the big one here, which is going to be awesome. I've been sitting on this for over a week, just, you know, excited about opening it. But, you know, I got patience. I can wait. And we got this little one here, and we got 2 bags. So let's get these out of the way. This I seen on eBay, and it's something to sit in with the G.I. Joes, and it's Rigby related. How about that? Alright, ready? You're gonna like this, man. Alright. Oh, yeah. Got her packed good, which it is porcelain or ceramic, and you'll see here in a minute. Alright. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it is Rigby. Check him out. That's just so cool. I thought it'd be a good size to sit with the G.I. Joes. Let's see. Yes, there's Rigby. Man, that's nice. That is really nice. Yeah, look at it again. Very nice. Very nice. You like that? Huh? That's you. So we'll set him right here for now. I needed a dachshund to set my G.I. Joes. You know, to represent Rigby. Yeah. Now these are ridiculous. Just little 1/6 scale accessories to sit with your G.I. Joes. Yeah. Here we got. Oh, come on. Huh. A black Ziploc. Never seen one of them before. Oh, wow. Oh, come on, that's too little. It is little 1/6 scale whiskey bottles. Yeah, them look too small. Yes, them are way too small. Way too small. Huh. They're not 1/6 scale. I'd say they're probably more like 1/12 scale. Got 4 of them. Okay. Yeah. We don't like it. And got one more. I hope it works out better. Ah, where's it at? Oh. Another black Ziploc. I've never seen a black Ziploc bag. Both of these is like $7 each. So I'm not too happy so far. Okay, here we got, oh, this is better. There we got a box of cigars. How about that? That's better. That's more like it. More true to scale. Look at that. You need a cigar? So, you know, I smoke cigars, so should my G.I. Joes. Okay, we'll set him right there. Yeah, who cares? Alright, now, This is the one. This is the one I was excited about. And I saved it for last. I am disappointed in the whiskey bottles. Them's way too small. So yeah, I'll probably throw them right in the trash. I don't care. Okay, this. Very excited. Now this, oh, Jimmy, what's wrong with you? Now this. Very rare. There were only 2 on eBay. And you know, eBay has everything. There were only 2 of these. One of them was like $150. And this one, I paid about half as much and was thrilled to get it. So hopefully I won't be disappointed. Very, very rare. Some of this stuff, you know, you just can't find. But anyway, oh yeah. Oh yeah. World, is it World Peacekeepers? I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah. Man, I tell you what, I just thought this was great. I was glad to find it, glad to get a good price on it. And this is called The Villains Beach and Crossroads 12-inch figure. Oh man, this looks great. Look at that. Who makes this? Oh, 21st Century Toys. Okay. Yeah, it's a guy on his chopper. And you know, I collect motorcycles. And this looks fantastic. Oh wow. So check it out. I'll get it out of there. I mean, this is, like I said, 3 times. It's very rare. And he's riding, looks like an Indian chopper, okay? 12-inch figure, brand new, from, what year? Surely a year on here somewhere. I'm guessing 99, 2000, something like that. I don't see a year. Oh, come on, surely on there somewhere. But hey, how about that, Rick? Look at that. Yeah. That is a great, great figure. Oh, I'm so glad to have this. Okay, I'll get this out of the box and we'll check it out. And that's it for unboxing. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next weekend because I got some more stuff coming this week. So yeah, appreciate you watching. Now stay tuned because we're gonna get this chopper out and get it get some better pictures of it. 1/6 scale Ultimate Soldier chopper. Now come on, it looks great. All right. We'll see you later. Bye. Oh man, check this thing out. This is awesome. And he came with some extra hands, and his extra hands had gloves on them, so I put them on. Check this out. Got a chain wallet and a gun and another gun. Oh man. This is just fantastic. I love it. Check it out. Got his leather coat and his jean vest and his... Check out his boots. Biker boots. Cool Indian chopper. Come on. Saddlebags. Oh man, this thing is very nice. I am very happy I got this thing. And like I said, they're very rare. You don't see them. So I bet they didn't make too many. Anyway, this is fantastic.